What do you guys think it is?
I don't know.
A snake. Dude, there's a river down there.
Oh my god, there's a river.
Oh shit. I saw something move. I saw like a tail move. Hey.
Hey, bro.
There's two pathways.
Where?
This one and that one.
So wait.
Eric, stop.
Wait, guys. We're just gonna wait.
That looks dangerous right there.
Yeah.
That looks like where the snakes are.
Oh my god. I think we should go. You're filming?
No, para allá.
Poop!
It's not poop. There's gums right there.
Ah, that's more diarrhea. Maybe that was masa. More diarrhea.
We saw horses here. Oh my god.
Ew, it's a pile of diarrhea.
Big ass. He found $10.
Tío, ¿para dónde? ¿Para abajo? ¿Para dónde?
This way. This way. Nowhere.
Bye, guys. Oh shit! There's diarrhea. Hurry! I saw a snake. Look right there. Oh.
I got it. I got that on camera.
I got that on camera.
I got 10%.
10? 65.
Oh shit, this freaking pipe. Look at those guys. They're all the way there.
What the fuck? What? No.
I just walked by here. I just heard a freaking noise. I did not know if I caught that on camera. There's something right here. I crossed by. I heard a noise. I heard a noise. I'm not freaking
Is it
out.
what?
Like right here somewhere.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
I saw a piece of an egg move by itself. I got the. Look, come.
I walked by.
Come, Mark, come.
I just heard a noise.
You see that piece of egg right there? That thing moved by itself.
What piece of egg?
This piece of egg on camera. That moved by itself.
Was it?
Tío, ¿me da mis $10?
¿Perdió, compa? ¿Para qué lo tira?
las tiró. Yo me las tiré. Son los que mi papi me dio. I know, but it moved by itself. Wait.
Oh! No! Is this real one?
No, literally, look. I heard a noise when we went here.
Oh, it's the egg.
I know.
It's the egg.
Let me see. Let me
You
get
see
close.
it?
Let me get closer.
Where is it?
Oh, shoot! Yes, it did.
The red thing right there.
What thing?
That red thing.
Where is thing?
Right there. No, those are just those flaggy things.
They're flags.
Oh, I thought it was like something. I thought.
Check under these logs.
Bro, grab a stick. I'll grab it a stick.
Mine already got.
Oh, there's dots are still. You want to film me for a minute?
Sure. You're gonna hit someone with that. You're gonna have to go to the hospital.
That's true right there. Oh, sorry.
What is it?
I just literally.
We've been recording for 6 minutes already.
Oh, let me record you. You think this is a what is it called? A beaver. You think that's a beaver? What? Hey, do you want to record you? Yeah?
What?
You want to record you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
We fall behind.
I know. We're just in front of them. Now we're behind.
Yeah, let's go run it. Let's go run it. Nine wins. Fast man win. Fast man win. Fast wait. I swear I forgot. I saw something. Oh. Oh! Smilodon has those colors, huh? I swear to God, I saw something white with a blank face there. I'm not kidding. From my heart. There. Behind that bush. I'm gonna record that. I'm gonna record that spot.
I think I caught mine on camera.
Yeah?
That noise thing.
Yeah? Let's see.
Yo, there took so long.
Hold on. Hold on. Steven, ¿qué pasó? ¡Yo también! Come!
I found them.
It's this in a water bottle.
And over here is a cracked one. Where's the cracked one? Oh! It looks like
Elliot!
an egg!
Elliot, come!
Elliot!
Elliot! Come! It looks like an egg!
It looks like an egg! It looks like an egg.
Looks like an egg. Something's out here, totally. Something's. There's a water bottle right there! My mom's leaving us! Mom!